हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल संज्ञान ब्लॉग्स। कैसे हैं आप सब। आज की वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है बिकॉज आपको अगर पता होगा कि कुछ दिन पहले नायका में क्योंकि सेल चल रहा था विच जस्ट गॉट एंडेड अ फ्यू डेज बैक. So I have made particularly few purchases which is going to be from the liner section. So guys, I have never experimented at all with liners. Maximum अगर कोई कलर मैंने यूज किया होगा लाइनर में तो फिर वो रहा होगा ब्लैक या पर्पल और ब्लू. However, I haven't tried any other colors or making my eyes colorful or anything as such. But this time, my eyes got through a few liners which are going to be a holographic liners, which is available in Nika, and even it was available during sale as well. So I got these liners at 363 rupees, which was on sale price. I'm sorry, I haven't checked the current price for these liners right now. However, I am going to swatch all these liners and then show you how it would look. Guys, honestly speaking, if you would be wearing a white color dress or a top or a kurti, this colorful liner is going to suit your eyes very well, and you can certainly just go ahead and experiment with any of these colors because it is not going to be a single color. Yeah, the collection which I have contains both one single color and also the holographic liner. So this is going to be my collection for liners, which I all got from Nykaa. So I'm going to, without any further ado, without wasting any much time, I'm going to swatch all the liners and then show you how does it look. So the first one is going to be from Swiss Beauty. It's Color Me Happy eyeliner. It's if I talk about the pros of these liner, it's going to be a long wear smudge proof and waterproof liner. Guys, this has been tested honestly, and it is honestly smudge proof and waterproof as well. If I talk about the cons about these liners, the nib is very much thin, so you will have to be very much light handed while using these liner because the nib can break anytime. So if I talk about this first liner, this color is going to be pink Alper Rose, and this is such a beautiful color, guys. If I just show you the shade of this liner, this is going to look like this, and this is going to be a pretty pink color. And even if you want to use it on a western dress or if you want to carry it on an Indian dress, it is going to look very beautiful. So this was my first liner. If I talk about, and guys, trust me, I have just tried to buy all the color liners which was visible to me. The second one is again going to be from the same brand, which is Swiss Beauty. So it's again Color Me Happy eyeliner, and if I talk about the color or the shade, it's going to be Orange Daisy. So this is how it looks. The packaging is also very beautiful. It's all matte packaging, and if I just swatch this liner, it is going to look somewhat like this. And if you see this color, this is going to be a beautiful orange shade. So you can definitely just go ahead and try these shades even if you are wearing western or an Indian, or if you are wearing anything white or colorful. Trust me guys, even if you are not wearing a lot of makeup, it's going to look beautiful on your eyes. It's going to glide very well on your eyes. So this was the second liner. If I talk about the third one, from the same brand Swiss Beauty, it's going to be a brown color liner. And if I talk about the sorry, it's a wine color, guys. So if I talk about the shade, it's number 12. Wine Dahlia is the shade. If I swatch this particular liner, it is going to look somewhat like this. So you won't be able to see the difference. It somewhat looks like brown or a dark maroon shade. It again looks very much beautiful on your eyes, so you can certainly just go ahead and try these colors. And guys, if you don't want to use only a single color, in that case you can certainly experiment half shade on your eyes. Like at half of the part you can apply this brown color or a pink and orange color. You can just go ahead and make a combination of any of these. If I talk about the next shade is going to be very much common, which is going to be a blue shade. And if I talk about the shade, it's going to be 04 Blue Indigo. So that's the shade. And if I swatch this, it's going to be like this. And see guys, so all the four liners which I just showed you guys, these were all going to be smudge proof. Like if you just have to wash it off, if you just go ahead and like wash it off with soap or anything, in that case it is going to easily get washed away. However, just leave it on your eyes for around 2 or 3 minutes just to get it dried out. Yes, it is going to be a pencil eyeliner. However, you don't have to worry about it that it would get applied to your eyes or anywhere as such. So it is going to be beautiful on your eyes. The next shade is again going to be a blue color only. If I talk about this, this is again going to be from Swiss Beauty. However, this is going to be pop eye style eyeliner, and this is how it looks. And if I talk about the shade, it's going to be again 04, and it's Bluebird is the shade. And if I talk about the quantity, it's going to be 3 ml. So guys, the only difference which I have between both the blue liners is it is going to be much more darker than the previous one which I showed, and this is going to look much more beautiful as compared to this pencil eyeliner which I had. So this is how it looks. Once it gets dried out, it is any which way is going to become matte. However, it is again a very beautiful color, and it is going to look beautiful if you are carrying an Indian wear or any suit or a sari. Talking about these ranges, this is going to be holographic liners which I have. So the sorry, so the first shade which I have, first talking about the quantity guys, it is 0.2 gram. Again, if I talk about the pros and cons, the pros and cons remains the same for these holographic liners as well. It glides very well onto your eyes. However, you can't press it hard, however, because it gets broken. If I talk about the nib is going to look like this. So once you just go ahead and take it out, don't take it out like बहुत ज़्यादा, otherwise इसका ना break होने का chance होता है, because the nib is very much thin and it's very weak as well. So that's the con if I talk about these liners. Otherwise, if I talk about the shade is going to be beautiful, guys. So the first shade which I'm carrying in this Swiss Beauty holographic liner, it's going to be Stardust, which is going to be number 3, and this is how it looks like. If I talk about these swatches, look at this guys, this is going to look a pink and a yellow combination shade. And if you just move, and if you see, I have just applied it a bit on the top of my eyes, just as an eyeshadow as well. The biggest advantage which you have with these eyeliners is you can certainly just go ahead and use it as an eyeshadow as well, which I have applied on the top of my eyes. If you see, I have just applied the green liner, and then on the top of the I have applied this eye as an eyeshadow as well. The next liner, if I talk about, is again going to be from the holographic category. And if I talk about the shade is going to be 06 Colored Earth, and this is how it looks. The packaging is very much beautiful, guys. The packaging itself tells us what the shade is going to be inside the liner, so it becomes easier for you if you are just going to make a purchase. In that case, it becomes easy for you to just check the shade from outside itself. If I talk about the swatches of this is a beautiful combination of blue and green, guys. So this is how it's going to look, and trust me, it's again, and this is what I have applied on my eyes as well, and it looks beautiful once applied. Again, please be very much careful. Don't take out the whole nib outside while applying these liners, because it's going to be again a bit weak. So please use it very much carefully. That is one of the suggestion which I have got for you guys. The next one is going to be one of my favorite, which I kept it for the end. It is going to look like this, and it's going to be a beautiful blue and yellow shade, guys. And it's going, sorry, it's a purple shade liner. And if I talk about the shade, it's going to be 01 Milky Way. If I swatch this particular liner, it's a beautiful purple color. and and if you see, this is going to be the one. It's a beautiful purple and blue shade. You won't be able to see it clearly, I guess, on the camera, but if I tilt my hand, you can see it's a beautiful purple shade. And guys, this is one of my favorite, and if I talk about this particular shade, this will go on any of the skin tones. If you are a brown skin girl, in that case it is definitely going to suit you. You can certainly just go ahead and try out this particular liner. So guys, these were all the shades which I had in the liner category, and I have loved each and every shade. I'm going to certainly just go ahead and experiment each and every shade of these liners on a daily basis. And you can even certainly experiment, and you can certainly experiment by using it as an eyeshadow, which I said that I have applied on the top of my eyes, and it's going to look beautiful, and it's honestly going to change the whole look of yours. So this was all about today's video, guys. If you loved watching my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please share my videos as well, and thank you so much for showing all your love and support as always. Till then, that's all about today's video, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. And thank you so much. Please take care of yourself and your family, and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.